Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you our top picks for the best sewing machines for home use in India in 2023. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, having a reliable and efficient sewing machine can make all the difference in your sewing projects. So, if you're looking to upgrade your sewing machine or start a new hobby, stick around to find out which one might be the perfect fit for you. Before we get started, let's briefly go over the different types of sewing machines available in the market. Mechanical sewing machines. These machines are basic, with manual controls and limited features. They are best for beginners on a budget who only need a basic machine for simple sewing tasks. These are mechanical machines. Electronic sewing machines. These machines have more features and computerized controls. They're great for those who want to do more complex sewing and embroidery projects. Computerized sewing machines. These machines are the most advanced, with the most features and automated controls. They are perfect for serious sewists who want to take their skills to the next level. Now that we have gone over the different types of machines, let's dive into the top sewing machines for home use in India in 2023. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. This machine is a great option for those who want a durable, heavy-duty machine for their home sewing needs. It has 23 built-in stitches, a powerful motor, and can handle thick fabrics like denim and leather. Usha Janome Dream Stitch Sewing Machine. This machine is a budget-friendly option for beginners. It has 7 built-in stitches, a compact design, and is easy to use. It's great for simple sewing projects like hemming, repairing clothes, and basic stitching. Brother FS101 Computerized Sewing Machine. This machine is perfect for those who want a computerized sewing machine that's easy to use. It has 100 built-in stitches, automatic needle threading, and a wide range of features that make it great for sewing, quilting, and embroidery. Singer Tradition FM 20-50 Sewing Machine. This machine is another great option for beginners on a budget. It has 10 built-in stitches, a lightweight design, and is easy to use. It's great for basic sewing tasks like hemming, repairing clothes, and simple stitching. You can visit the Stitching Mall store to find out best sewing machines in India. Link is given in the description box below. Buying Guide. Now that we have explored the top sewing machines for home use in India in 2023, let's discuss what you should look for when buying a sewing machine. Purpose. Consider what you'll be using the machine for. Will you be doing basic sewing tasks or more complex projects like embroidery and quilting? Choose a machine that meets your needs. Budget. Sewing machines can range in price from a few thousand rupees to tens of thousands. Set a budget and stick to it. Features. Look for machines with features that will make your sewing experience easier and more efficient. Some features to consider include automatic needle threading, built-in stitches, and a variety of presser feet. Brand and reputation. Choose a brand with a good reputation for producing quality machines that last. Look for reviews and testimonials from other customers to gauge the reliability of the machine. So, there you have it, the top sewing machines for home use in India in 2023. Remember, when choosing a machine, consider your needs, budget, and the features that are most important to you. It's also important to do your research and choose a brand with a good reputation for quality and reliability. Investing in a good sewing machine can make all the difference in your sewing experience. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, having the right machine can help you unleash your creativity and bring your sewing projects to life. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for the perfect sewing machine for your home. Thank you for watching, and happy sewing!